80% they put with mud. Take this particular thing nearer to the place where monkeys are available. When the monkeys keep looking at that, right? At that time you put some peanuts into that hole. What is that hole? From the top. From there you put the peanuts. When they put it and gone away. The moment it goes away, monkeys comes down, tries to take the peanuts. That hole is big enough for the monkey to slide its hand. Very, very thin hand it has got. So to slide its hand through that hole, that is sufficient. The moment it gets inside, what it does, it's thin. He started this thing, what is that? He started this Tata Industries. The values, the moral values, they develop is entirely different. That is the reason even today, the Infosys may pay well, otherwise the Wipro may pay well. But what if I ask me, where do you want to put your daughter? The Wipro and these people, they pay double the salary what the Tata pays. But still people are mad to put your daughters and your sons into the Tatas because of the amount of values they nurture into the system. Right? That is the Tatas. Because of this great man, even today we are all enjoying it. He developed thousands and thousands of industries throughout the world. Throughout the world, Tata Industries are there. They entered into leather, entered into cement, entered into water, entered into the salt. Every area they entered. Show me one Tata industry in the world where they are closed. Where strike is taking place. Show me one industry. Why? Same India, same people. Why there is no strike as such? Why there is no closure as such? That is the amount of values we should organize. And who is the next man? Abdul Kalam ji. For your information, Abdul Kalam ji. Abdul Kalam ji, right? For your information, when Abdul Kalam ji, I was very, very happy man. I met him twice. This Abdul Kalam ji, for your information, he was an employee like you and me in Hyderabad. When you look at his honesty and sincerity, this Abdul Kalam ji, when he became the president first time, in his life he became the first time, right? When he became the first time president, he went to the parliament, he was about to enter into the parliament. A press meet was taken place. Then these people conduct the press meet. What is that your line of thinking? Why did you come for the president? You are all employee. Why did you think for this? What is it you want to do for this nation and all that? He gave a beautiful talk. Everything was over. Then he was about to enter into the parliament. A young girl of 20 years, she came in between. She literally stopped Abdul Kalam ji and said, Abdul, if you don't mind, I have a question with you. Then you can ask me, what's the question here? No, you should not feel it's a personal question to you. It's a personal question, you should not feel bad. What is a personal question? Any question you can ask. Sir, if you don't mind, may I know the reason why you are growing your hair so long? The law friend said, darling, for your information, your parents are rich enough where they are able to send you to the salon to have the haircut. I lost my father when I was a 9 years boy. My mother is a widow. She has no earning capacity. No one is there to provide any bread to myself and my mother. And my mother took me to the Patla junction at 3:30 in the morning, early in the morning. Early in the morning, look at his history. 3:30 early in the morning, she takes me to the junction, put the Hindu newspapers on my head. My job up to 7 o'clock in the morning, distribute the Hindu newspapers to every doorstep. Come back to home at 7 o'clock, take bath, go to that corner, he's from Rameswaram, go to that corner, I am supposed to do the namaz. Come back to home, take breakfast, go to the school. By the time I complete everything and come back in the evening, every of my friends, they go for the game. My job is to go to every doorstep and collect the paisa. What are the paper I distributed? Out of that, whatever the money I get, that is the bread and butter to my mother and myself. I started employment at 8th year. I started bread to my mother and myself. I have no father, right? So, when there is no money for us, whatever the minimum I got, that is the bread and butter for my mother and myself. What to think of the hair? I never bothered whether my hair is short or tall. Whenever my mother feels, she must have sent to me the salon, I did not know that. Okay, sir, you are poor enough, so you did not go for the haircut. At least now is the president of the country. You need not spend the money. In the barber is available there itself inside the Rashtrapati, why can't you go ahead? I can do it, there's nothing wrong in that. But in memory of my mother, though she studied only second standard, she nurtured the values into this body and converted me as the president of this country. You can understand the values in this. That's how I became the hero in here and I came to this place. So I never bothered whether my hair is long or short. In memory of my mother, I allowed the hair to grow. Same man got for that Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan and Bharat Ratna. And was the alone man available in this globe who got 45 doctorates. Show me one individual. He got 45 doctorates from the rest of the world. Every country awarded the doctorate to him. He's a great man. Right? What he always says, if at all you want me as the president for this country for one more term, I don't mind, I am ready to do it. Provided the people are interested to put me as the president. Even a single individual stands and says, I want to contest, I am not equivalent with them. They're all great people, I can't contest. Let those people run the business. I have another mission with me. What is the mission? What he says? It's wrong for your information. This is the time. Luckily, I did not become the president once again. If at all I become the president, I can't leave the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Now I am a free man to go anywhere. And my job is, the leaders are very, very scarce in India. Leadership is available. People are dull. It's my job to go to every street and advise them and inspire them to make them the leaders. That's my job. In these 5 years, you were able to contact more than 85,000 people and inspire. That is the greatness of it. See the next man? Moksha Gandhi have the 2 legs and 2 hands. They should stand up and salute me. He took the oath, went back to home, came to the mother and smiled. From today onwards, I don't want to sell the peanuts. I want football, I want to play football. Then what mother said, what is it football, I don't understand, become mad or what? No food, you and whatever the sales you do, that is the bread and butter me for yourself. Then mother said, at the same time as I told you, mother's life is the first school, right? Took this boy, went inside, pat him and said, took out the inner banyan of the father, torn out banyan of the father, who expired almost 5 years back. He took out that banyan, put the thread over that, made it like a football, and gave this one presentation to the boy. You play football with that. That's how Pele started the football with that particular cotton ball. And he bought a small ball, started playing with that, out of the love and affection. That's the reason when you talk of the attitude, you are supposed to develop all these qualities within your system. Then automatically the development starts coming out. You all know football, once you hit the ball with the leg, foot comes up and you get falls, right? Then this man developed the madness towards the football. Eating football, drinking football, smoking football, everything is football for him. Started playing. And his body, not only foot, the entire body, every inch of the period, started playing football. Once he hit the ball started coming up onto his body. And it climbs up here. He allows the ball to fall from the rear, he hits it, brings to the front, again he starts playing with the left. That's how he started playing football. Minutes together, he never allowed the ball to fall on the floor. He developed the skill, madness towards the football. At the same time, since it is an international arena, again football tournaments are taking place. When